Hi, theaterites. Let's unpack the vital VCE theatre studies term, theatre technologies. All the tools and systems that help theatre makers create modern performances. When we say technology, we don't just mean high-tech gadgets. We mean anything mechanical, electrical, or digital that helps us plan, develop, or stage a performance. Let's unpack that further and look at what it includes and why it's such a major part of contemporary theatre. The study design tells us that theatre technologies include any mechanical, electrical, or digital technology used in planning, development, or production. So, this could be something as simple as a revolve stage or something complex like motion capture software. The key idea is if it helps the performance exist, communicate meaning, or operate, it's a theatre technology. You can see a full definition on page 13 of the study design, but I'm going to try and break it down with a few examples. Here are some concrete examples used by professional companies today. Things like 3D projections that transform the stage visually, virtual reality masks that add a complex layer to actors' performance, and stop motion and computer animation, which is then integrated into the storytelling on stage. These examples show how theatre is increasingly blending live performance with cinematic or digital elements. This slide shows an award-winning production where the company, Knife Edge, digitally integrated actors with moving video projections. This is a powerful example of how theatre technologies can help create seamless worlds that mix live presence with digital art. Notice how the projection functions like moving scenery, extending the environment beyond what a traditional set would do. VCAR expands on the idea further. Theatre technologies can include network tools, things connected digitally, like live stream elements, for example, online systems such as digital design tools or interactive platforms, extended reality like AR and VR immersive technologies, things that surround or engage audiences physically or digitally, mobile and situated tools, which includes things like tools that move or adapt within the environment. All of these create new ways for audiences to experience story. Modern productions often combine live performance with pre-recorded footage nowadays. This will create a hybrid form, sometimes called cine theatre. This is where actors perform alongside film that's projected onto screens or surfaces. It blurs the line between cinema and stagecraft. These technologies create mood, develop world building, or even function as another performer on stage. In the planning stage, set designers often create scale models of the stage. Traditionally, this meant cutting foam, cardboard, and hot glue, slow and messy. Now, 3D printing allows designers to build complete and thorough prototypes digitally and print them in plastic. This then speeds up the process and makes it easier to experiment with shapes, textures, and concepts before building the full set. It's also a huge help when deadlines are quite tight. As technology like AI, CGI, VR, motion capture, and 3D printing continue to evolve, theatre may start to look very different. These tools are also becoming more affordable, which means amateur theatre groups can use tools that used to only exist for big budget productions. The future of theatre will likely mix traditional performance with high tech visual storytelling. But it's important to always keep storytelling as the key feature. These links on screen offer examples of how design, digital art, automation, and new media are transforming theatre. If you're interested in how directors, designers, and technicians collaborate today, these sources show real world applications of everything we're talking about. And I'm sure via a quick search of your own, you'll find many more.